Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cash App the recipient's account is unable to accept payments error. So, let's get started. First, open Cash App, click on the profile icon and scroll down until they see the Security and Privacy section. Once there, they should click on it. Most likely, one of the settings in this section is turned off. The first setting to check is Incoming Requests, which allows others to request money from them. If this is turned off, you won't be able to send payment requests to them. The other important setting is Allow others to find me at, which enables others to find their account using their cash tag. If this is turned off, payments might not go through. They should make sure that both of these settings are turned on. If these settings are already enabled and the account still doesn't work, the issue is probably with Cash App itself. In that case, you can go to the Support section in Cash App, contact support directly via chat and explain the issue. The support team will help resolve it, as it's likely not a problem on your end either. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.